Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech Transform. Today we are here to download and install MovieLens dataset into HDFS directory. Why we are downloading this MovieLens dataset? This MovieLens dataset is very popular and is providing lots of insights from the movies. Like it will provide you movie ratings and movie reviews, so you can create your own recommendation system based upon these data sets. You can do couple of others research and find the insights from the from this data set. And there are a couple of examples are: you can rank movies by their popularity, you can break down movie ratings by rating a score, you can find the oldest movie with a 5-star rating, or maybe you can find the most average rating movie with a 1-star movie. So we can do a lot of cool stuff, and in future we are going to work with Pig and Hive. So how we can actually learn how we are going to query these data sets. So in order to do that, first we need to download that MovieLens dataset. So you can see this MovieLens, it contains about 11 million ratings for 8500 movies. So to download in our local machine, we have to type mlk hyphen 100 datasets. So this one, let's click on this link. So you can say it's a 100k datasets, means 1 lakh datasets. So MovieLens 100k movie ratings, it's 1 lakh ratings from 1000 users on 1700 movies. We have to click here to download. Let's get downloaded. Let's go to file system, download. Extract here. So you can see there are a lot of couple of files over there. So I will tell you some of the important files here. So you can see this u.data. So these are all the ratings given by the user for the particular movie ID. And so let's say understand this row. So this rating is given by user ID 196 on the movie ID 242, and user has rated this as a 3-star movie, and this is the timestamp on what time he has rated. So you can see these are the 100k datasets. 100k rows are there from the 1000 users on 1 lakh on 1500 movies. And also there is a one file also, u.item. So lastly, you just saw there is a movie ID and there is a relation between that movie ID. So movie ID 1 is actually a Toy Story, movie ID 5 is a Copycat, movie ID 6 is a Shanghai. So in future we'll join these two files and find the movie name based upon the movie ID. So we are going to a lot of cool stuffs by using this ml100k dataset. So this is in my local file now. Let's move it to HDFS. In order to move to the HDFS, what we have to do, we have to open a terminal. So Control Alt T. Let me check whether all the Hadoop daemons are running or not. Okay, it's not running. Let me start all the daemons. Start hyphen all.sh. Start hyphen dfs.sh. Starting name node. In order to work with Hadoop, you have to start and make sure that all the Hadoop daemons are running. So that's what I am doing right now. One more command is left only, start hyphen yarn.sh. We'll again run JPS. Yeah, cool. We can see that all those Hadoop daemons are running now. Let me clear out. Control L. So let's install the MovieLens dataset from our local file system to Hadoop file system. For that, what I want to do, I want to create a Hadoop I want to create a directory inside HDFS minus mkdir ml 100k. I am giving a folder name as ml 100k. Pressing enter. No such file or directory. I'm trying to create. So Hadoop fs hyphen mkdir. Okay, I have to type / then ml hyphen 100k. Okay, so directory creator, let's check that. Hadoop fs minus ls. Okay, so see this directory created. Now what we'll do, we'll copy those movie items datasets inside this ml100k folder. So let's switch back to this. Let's copy this. Let's say I want to copy this u.data to ml100k HDFS directory. Copy the path. Copy. I am not moving all the files. I need some of the files, so that's why I am moving 1 to 2 files one by one as per the need. So right now I will be moving to these u.data and u.item to the HDFS file directory. So I've copied this file path. Let's go to terminal back. To copy from local to HDFS, Hadoop fs hyphen copy from local, and copy from local, then first we have to give a local path, Ctrl+Shift+V, then we have to give HDFS directory path, so that is ml hyphen 100k. Yes, copy it. Let's check. Hadoop ls ml hyphen 100k. What happened? It's not copied. Hadoop fs Okay, I have given the wrong name here, so it's created a new directory mn100k. Let's get rid of this directory and we'll do this again. Hadoop fs minus rm minus r. I'm going to delete this. This just what created my mistake. M100 and m hyphen 100k. Okay, so it's deleted. Let's clear out once again. Hadoop fs minus ls. Okay, so let's do the copy again to this folder. Let me Hadoop fs hyphen copy from local, the file path we just copied, Ctrl+Shift+V, then make sure you're giving the correct you're typing the correct file path name in the of the HDFS directory, hyphen 100k. Okay, so it's get copied. Let's check once again. It's copied or not. Hadoop fs minus ls hyphen ml hyphen 100k. Yeah, fine. So we got this data. So we have to do this once again for this particular u.item. Let's copy this. Fire the same command again. Just replace the path with that u.item. Ctrl+Shift+V. Let's check once again. So you can see both the file u.data and u.item I have successfully copied from local hard disk to Hadoop directory. So this is that's all for this today, and in for this video. So I'm going to come with a lot of cool stuff with the what are all those I've told you about, ranking movies by their popularity, how to find the oldest movies with a 5-star rating, and all those with using Hadoop ecosystem languages like Pig, Latin, and Hive. So we'll meet you in future. So thanks for watching. Have a good day. If you like, really, please subscribe, share. Thank you.